Janina, pass to Belakit, and here's Ian. Ian for two naked. Rebound by jersey number 11, Pasana. Pasana pass to jersey number 88, Reversa. Pass to Pasano. And here's the foul. Foul. Oops. Wait lang.
Meki lang.
Ano nga tol?
Number 26, passing foul.
Pushing foul for jersey number 26 and technical foul for jersey number 26.
Second motion.
Second motion.
Second emotion pa, second emotion.
Second motion.
Game, Reyes! Reyes!
Hindi. Isa lang.
Yung penalty.
Second motion. Bawal yung zone. Kaya yung mga ano yung nilalagay namin na violation.
Sino tira?
Tira ng isa tapos
Jersey number